welcome back to another video from Elbrus Trains UK, and today we're at Basingstoke. That's a sign over there, just zoom in on that. Anyway, today we've seen services from Great West. We've seen a couple of services from Great Western Railway and South Western Railway. Normally cross country do serve here, but we won't be seeing any in this part of the video, so that's a disappointment. And if we're lucky, we're going to be seeing some freight as well. Anyway, so that was really me today, but yeah, Basingstoke is really good so far and I can't wait for it. Anyway, let's see what's up here, shall we? Let's get started here at Basingstoke. Enjoy the video, guys. I want to say quickly, guys, that train in the first part of the video is 158002 and 158105, something like that. That was forming the 1207 South Western Railway service to Exeter St David's, starting here. No, I think that was from Waterloo or Reading or something. Anyway, that was that. Anyway, let's see what's next. Pulling in here, we had the 1217 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. It's 450073. It's double pairing. On the rear it is 450 something, I don't know. We'll check it when it leaves. And also there's another 450 down there doing nothing. Yeah, guess we'll catch this one on departure. What's about to depart now is the 1217 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. We also just had a 444 go through. Didn't film that time because my tripod is absolutely crap. 450045 on the rear. Well, off that goes. See what's next. By the way, over there we've got GWR 156, and there goes the 444s up there that just went through. Anyway, see what's next. Pulled in here, we have 450050. See what that's doing in a minute, but if we spin around, here we have a 166. Get the numbers as it leaves. This is from the 1222 Great Western Railway service to Reading. When they introduce the 769s on this route, these will all be off to the west, southwest. So we'll catch them on departure. Right now departing is this 166. It's off to Reading, 1222. One of the worst trains GWR have. Well, they're alright sometimes. It's actually a 165, 165, 107. Alright, off that goes. See what's next. Guys, now the point is the 1224 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. There's one dove on the front, one 450, 109. Well, the middle. Don't know what the front is. It's too far up. There's 450 on the middle one. It's 450, 109. The rear one is 450050. I was going this way. I will get the front number then. 450050. And the rear is 450049. And there's 450109. Here's snap photos. Oh. Well, if that goes, let's see what's next. 450. Oh, it's a new livery one. 450067. It's the key worker one. Look at that. And we got 450, 104 on the rear. What is a triple pairing? We got 450, 069. Alright. Yeah, I saw this one in Southampton doing a pull to Winchester. Anyway, catch this on departure. And now we have some 159s. There's a 158. It might be a 159. It is 159. 159 103. I think I saw this in Southampton. $159 004 on the rear. The first bus looks like a little bit like an EMR one. Anyway, catch you on departure. And then over there is number 166. 166 or 165 113. 165 113. That's terminating from Reading. See what's next. 450. Oh, it's a new livery one. 450 067. It's the key worker one. Look at that. Then we got 450 104 on the rear. What is it? Triple pairing. We got 450 069. Alright. Yeah, I saw this one in Southampton doing a pull to Winchester. Anyway, catch this on departure. There is the NHS 450, along with its two partners. That's off to, that's a empty stock. And we've just had a train over here as well. So off that goes. We'll just walk over here. Got another one over here. It is 444042. This is forming us, I don't know what this is doing. This is a service to Waterloo. Anyway, see what's next. There's 444042. A service to London Waterloo from Weymouth. So off that goes. See what's next. The better part now is 159 004 and 159 103 off to Salisbury. That's even the driver. No horn. Alright, off that goes. See what's next. Alright guys, pulling in now. Probably will be the final train of the video. So class 220, the only cross country service we're going to see. 221 132. This is forming the 1249 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly from Bournemouth. 220 003 on the rear. Alright, catch us on departure. Now we have 444040. Forming a service to Weymouth from London Waterloo. So seeing it's quite busy, we'll catch it on departure. 44009. I will catch these on departure. Final trains of the video, we're about to have a double departure. We've got 444009 and 444040. It's working a service to Weymouth from London Waterloo. And then we got 220 something and 220 003. On a service to Manchester Piccadilly. We'll go this one first. And we got film this one first because this is shorter than that one. SWML. Alright, off they go. As those two leave, that will conclude my video from Basingstoke. Thank you. Oh, well, before we do, we got 450-069 here coming from the side-ins. We won't film that one because we've already done that one. But anyway, this is my Basingstoke video over. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe. Any comments or recommendations are welcome, so leave them down below. Basingstoke it's alright. It's good for action. It's very busy. And also we'll get a picture. This is the special one. But yeah, that is Basingstoke. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta.